Hi guys, today I will be showing you my Valentine's Day look that I'm going to do today. I do have some makeup on, so I have foundation, concealer, my eyebrows, a little bit of mascara, because I did need to run some errands today, this morning. So I just have basically, the basics, and then my hair is pretty much a mess. So I will be showing you guys what kind of eye look I will be doing for Valentine's Day. So, yeah. Okay, for sure, I do want to use this. It's a shimmer veil. It's pretty much like a shimmer for your eyelids. I got this in my BoxyCharm today, so I know for sure that I want to use it because it's so pretty. It's like light pink with iridescent. I don't know if you can kind of see it. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. The masquerade palette. I don't know like what I'm going with. I know that I want to use that, but that's pretty much all I know what I want to do. So I'm just gonna play around with it. And don't mind my hair, it's a mess, guys, I know. Okay, so let me prime my eyelids again. And I'm gonna be all over the place because I didn't get anything ready. I was just gonna go ahead and wing it. But I really wanna get some more videos out. So yeah, I'm just gonna wing it. So right now I'm just pretty much priming my eyelid for my eyeshadows, that way it gets stick on very well. That's what you want to do, like for eyeshadows and stuff, because if not, then it doesn't pick up the pigment really well. And it's okay if you're messy. I mean, you obviously don't want to be that messy if you already have your makeup and stuff done, but this one right here. And I'm gonna take that in my crease. And at first it's gonna look messy, I know, but just wait to the outcome. And you want to do like circle motions and windshield motions as well. That way it can blend very good. You want to keep on adding to your favor of liking. I don't know what I'm going for right now, so I'm just gonna keep on adding. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there, and then I'm gonna get another brush and I'm gonna blend it with a light, like let me see if I have. I'm gonna go in with my highlight and contour. I know it's so dirty. This is the one that I use for my contour and to highlight under my eyes. So I'm gonna go in with this skin color and I'm gonna blend the edges out with that, so it doesn't look so harsh. And you want to do it very lightly because obviously you still want the color to look up high. You just don't want it to look so harsh up there. You see, I don't know if you can see a difference, but. And then at whatever stage that you feel like you need to add some more color, feel free to add it. So right here, I want to really intensify right here. Now getting another brush. This is like my little mini set of Luxie, my mini set of Luxie brushes. And I love these because they're so small. They're not like huge and you have to like hold it way up here. They're very small. And then I'm gonna go in with a darker color. I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and it's called Ada, right there. And I'm just gonna intensify the outer corners on that. You can go in as further in as you want. I usually just go in like half of the eye out. I don't go all the way inside. Blend in the colors, then do so. Don't add any product though. Just add whatever you have in your brush. Color Virgin by the Naked Collection. Can you tell this is like my favorite palette? Because like all of them are just like ugly. And also like right now I'm kind of just like winging it, like doing something really fast. Because I need to get ready, like I have like an hour to get ready, so I will be doing like more makeup looks, more in depth, like what brushes I'm using, like all that stuff. But right now I'm just kind of going really quick because I need to hurry. Pretty much just like a makeup tutorial because I haven't done a makeup tutorial in forever. And this is kind of like also like a vlogging tutorial, I guess you can say. On the outer lid, you know you want to add dark colors. So you don't want to put no light colors up here in the outer. You want to add dark colors. I'm just adding like orangey, the same color that I added earlier. I'm just adding it to the outer lid. Okay, and then this is gonna look super messy right now because obviously we're not done. When we're done, we're gonna clean out the edges. You wanna get concealer. I don't know which kind of concealer you use. I want to get the Tarte Shape concealer. I hear that one is like amazing because it is super thick. So I'm gonna use this one, the yellow one that I use for my underlid, for concealer. So I'm just going to cut this off so I can put the shimmer there. So we're just gonna leave it like that right now. We'll see how this works. Okay, then I'm using my Shimmer Veil color. Oh my God, it is beautiful. Can you see that? Let it dry and then I'm gonna add some lashes and then I will be back. Okay, so now I have my lashes on. I still need to put some mascara on it, but I'm gonna wait until they dry. Now I'm gonna go into the bottom. I'm gonna use my black eyeliner and this is just the pencil one. You're gonna put it in your waterline and then it's okay to be messy with it because you're gonna smear everything out. I'm gonna use a little brush, a little more defined brush so I can get in there. I am going to now contour. And like I said, I'm gonna make a video separate on all of this because I get a lot of questions on how to contour and how to highlight and how to bake. And I will make a video on it. And like I said, this is the one that I use. I use these two colors at the bottom. This one is too dark, so I use these two. And I just go back and forward. Using contour 2, I'm gonna do my nose. Okay, so let me add some setting spray. At this point, right now that your face is wet, you want to add some highlight. Okay, so the lips, I'm gonna wait to do the lips later whenever my makeup and my outfit is ready, because I don't know which lip I'm gonna wear. So let me do my hair, and then I'll do my outfit, and then I will show you guys the final product. And I'll insert a picture like I said. Okay, if you have any questions and stuff, products that I used, just leave a comment. Bye. I just added, did I add highlighter? I don't remember if I added highlighter in the video, but here is the makeup. Yeah, we're gonna go out and have dinner. Yeah, I'll try to vlog a little bit later.